to speak. On to another story now. The fight quite over child support can be a scathing one, emotionally, psychologically, and financially. The process of agreeing on fair payments with a divorced spouse can be a porcupine of pain points. In some cases, child support orders are mismatched with the capacity to pay for the non-custodial parent. What then happens when a man cannot entirely afford the expense of his child? NTV's Zainab Ismail puts this question in a legal perspective.
The 1,000 words spoken by this picture of a woman grooming her groom are divided into paragraphs of ups and downs, punctuated by happiness and chapters untold. Henry Kamwara Muturi and his second wife living the moment, immortalized in a picture, but outside the frame of this picture is a difficult life. An administration police officer in Thika, Kiambu County, Henry's life took a turn after a Thika court ordered him to cater for the needs of his ex-wife, Nelia Sunduku, and that of their 9-year-old child. A lump sum of 84,000 shillings to his ex-wife and 9,000 shillings monthly upkeep, plus additional money for school fees. Money he says he simply just cannot afford.
Hata ile pesa nalipwa saizi haiwezi kagaramia familia yangu na igaramia hizo pesa zote ambazo nimeandikiwa hapo.
But what is life like for parents who have so little, yet the demands are overwhelming?
I opt to quit the job kwa sababu sina namna nyingine. Siwezi kuwa nafanya kazi na siwezi hitimu mahitaji hata ile the basic needs za watoto wangu.
What the act goes on to say, the Children's Act, is that the amount that you're being asked for should not exceed 45% of what you earn annually. So if it is true indeed that his salary is only 20,000 and he has got another family, which means he has extra obligation on that salary, then to ask him to pay anything over 20,000, in fact anything over 10,000, would not be a possibility. You see, because orders have also got to be practical.
In many separation cases in court, it is mothers who are seeking orders for their children's fathers to cater for their young ones' basic needs. And with men, especially in the African context, being seen as the primary providers, those who are unable to meet the demands in many cases find themselves feeling stuck.
There is the issue of the status in the life of people, but there is also what really guides somebody. Is it the feeling that the magistrate gets? Is it a weighing situation this way? And I think that it's important to support those courts by having extra done on the statutes.
Article 53 of the Constitution provides that every child has a right to parental care and protection, which includes equal responsibility of the mother and father to provide for the child, whether they're married to each other or not.
The whole issue of child support is not supposed to be a punitive measure. Right. It's really supposed to just be sorting out the best interests of children in families. So logic also and being practical and being reasonable all come in.
Jaja anafaa kuangalia side zote mbili. Wenye my husband anapewa pesa zenye anapewa na zenye anaweza pewa Nelias na zenye tunaweza baki tukijikimu kimaisha.
Zainab Ismail, NTV.